Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Google Pay on your phone for contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable Tap to Pay at stores. Step 1. Ensure your Android phone supports NFC technology, which is required for contactless payments. Most modern Android phones have this feature. Step 2. Download and install the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store if it's not already installed on your phone. Step 3. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. Step 4. Sign in with your Google account or create a new Google account if you don't have one. Step 5. Once signed in, tap the option to add card or add payment method. Step 6. Use your phone's camera to scan your credit or debit card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 7. Provide any additional information requested, such as your billing address. Step 8. Verify your card by entering a verification code sent via SMS or email from your card issuer. Step 9. Once verified, your card will appear in Google Pay and is ready for contactless payments. Step 10. To make a payment, unlock your phone and hold it near a contactless payment terminal. You may need to authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Step 11. Wait for the confirmation beep or check mark on your phone screen indicating the payment was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.